Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 25th of April and it's just after 9 o'clock. AUD USD. I got knocked out of this last night. I have actually entered one of the trades up the top here. So I've re-entered short. The candles moved down and I've put my stop in just to protect my trade. Actually, we're just in profit on this second trade here. So as soon as it's fairly safe to do so, I'll put another stop on that. These are very big trades for me, so I have to protect them. Euro JPY. We're short this pair. The commitment of trades report was short the euro and a little bit long the yen. It's not as long as it has been. So we've had this really big move up. I got short. I got knocked out once down the bottom here. The candles popped up and I've taken yet another short. So I've gained a few pips on that. Euro, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, well, I am surprised at the length of this candle this morning. It's just starting to show weakness. I got knocked out of a trade at the bottom here and I've retaken it at the first sign of weakness here. It's travelled on a little bit as it always does, but I'm hoping that's going to short for me. We're long the New Zealand dollar heavily on the commitment of trades, as have been for a couple of weeks, so we're hoping for a nice short on that. Euro USD. Again, I've got knocked out last night. I've taken a slightly better position here, but I can't get my stop behind it just yet. The RSI hasn't crossed the trend line, but we'll see what happens later on today. I'm fairly confident with this trade. Pound AUD. We've had quite a nice long on that this morning. I've put a stop behind. I got knocked out of one trade. Yeah, I put a stop behind this one here, and I've taken out another trade at the top. So hopefully we'll keep all of those trades. SP 500. Again, we've got a green candle, so that's the second green candle. Yeah, so we remain above the 69.1 on the monthly, and we're still below it on the weekly and the daily. So I'm kind of expecting that to fall again. So we'll see which way that goes. But, there, AUD CAD. This is punishing me again. We've had a slightly green candle today. We had a big move up yesterday, so I'm still waiting for this to short. If it crosses, or when it crosses, be positive. When it crosses my trend line, I'm going to take out another short trade. So that's how I'm going to deal with this one. Silver, this is coming down nicely for us. I'm actually, between the two trades, I'm actually in profit. I was surprised actually that it longed from here. I was expecting it to short again, but it didn't. It longed. As long as the strength in the dollar, the metals, gold and silver, will short. So there you go. USD JPY. I've actually taken out another trade. I got knocked out of one trade last night. So this morning I put another trade in. It's about a dead entry and you can't really see it. Yeah, there's the hourly chart. You can just see we're just touching into a tad of profit there. So we'll leave that on. Mexican peso, USD Mexican peso. We've just come up to our bottom entry again. This is the largest entry. These up here are only pennies, but this is quite a large entry that I put down here. So I'm pleased to see that back in the zero range. USD CAD, this has longed again. This has been a terrific trade. I got knocked out down the bottom here. I kind of missed the entry. I like to get in at the turning points. I missed the entry on this one, and I don't like to get in half the way through. But that has had a really good move there. So too has oil, Western Texas, and this it broke the trend line here. It has shorted since. You know, I imagine there's a lot of people lost a lot of money on this, the speculators. It does look like it's weakening a little bit at the moment, but I think that might follow through a little bit more. But you know, it's got into a little bit oversold. It's in an oversold position down here. So anyway, thank you very much for watching today, and thank you for all your likes and your subscriptions. Very much appreciated, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Cheers now.